I'm Bill from BeyondFitnessOnline.com. And today, what I want to talk to you about is something called unilateral training. Now, generally when we're doing any kind of resistance training, we tend to think, okay, I need to push or pull or squat with both sides. And I'm here to tell you that that's not always the case. Oftentimes we create these muscle imbalances where we're stronger on one side than the other. And then when we try to do bilateral training, we end up just exacerbating that issue. And this can lead to things like potential injuries, it can lead to posture problems, it can lead to all kinds of different stuff. So what we want to do is we want to start to challenge the body individually on each side. Now, this does a lot of things on a neurological level, it does a lot of things on a physiological level, and it's important to work this into your training from time to time. In addition to that, doing unilateral training will completely change how your core has to activate so that you don't fall over. So I'm going to show you an example of unilateral training right here and give it a try. In this first example, we're showing you a single arm chest press. Now the right arm holding the weight will continue to do the motion as if it were doing it with two arms. The left arm is hanging free to the side. This forces your core to stabilize so that you don't fall over. In the second example, we're showing you the same thing with a bent row, making sure that the free hand is not bracing on the knee. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. Or if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I post new updates to this channel every single Friday. And until next time, live healthy.